In this video, I want to show how these guys are making 500K per month by simply selling AI SaaS to cleaning businesses. The company I'm talking about is CleanCore. CleanCore is a white label version of High Level, and they sell the software exclusively for cleaning businesses. This is their website, the only complete AI CRM solution you'll ever need for your cleaning company. They are targeting house cleaning businesses, carpet cleaning businesses, window cleaning businesses. And what they're doing is that they're offering what this business need in one solution. So with the CleanCore software, cleaning businesses can have their lead generation taken care of, the communication with the leads, and then they can also create internal SOPs with it. These are all features that are inside of Go High Level. So these guys at CleanCore are simply rebranding Go High Level and reselling it to these businesses here. So let's see some of the features that CleanCore is offering. They offer an AI-powered CRM that allows their clients to automatically send review requests, have an organized pipeline for team members, setting up proper appointment booking systems, automating communication with potential leads and existing clients, whether via email or SMS, phone calls, social media, WhatsApp, and also their clients can simply launch Facebook and Google ads with just few clicks. So you guys understand how much this software means for cleaning businesses. Basically, their whole infrastructure can be built on CleanCore because they can launch ad campaigns straight from CleanCore. They can have an AI that automatically communicates and book appointments. And then after the service, the system will automatically send a review request. So the entire business infrastructure is taken care of with the software. Let's take a look at how much CleanCore is charging these cleaning businesses. Of course, as a software business, they have an annual pricing plan and then they have a monthly pricing plan. For the monthly pricing, we start at $97 per month. Then they have a $197 a month plan and then a $297 per month. And then they offer this very interesting option to build you only a website for $7 per month. But most of the businesses that they work with will fall under this plan here, the $197 plan. CleanCore is working with over 500 clients. They have over 500 cleaning businesses that they're working with. Let's even take the lowest amount they're charging per month, which is $97 per month. Let's multiply that times 500. It will give us almost 50K per month. Okay, these guys are making $50,000 per month. And I'm just assuming the lowest pricing plan. More realistically, a lot of businesses will fall under the $197 a month. Okay, but for simplicity reason, let's take the $97 a month. The calculation comes up to be $48,000. We can approximate that to $50,000 per month. And if you multiply that by 12, which is the number of months that we have in a year, it will give you over $500,000. These guys are making over $500,000 with a software that they didn't even need to build from scratch. They are simply white labeling an existing platform, which is High Level. And this is the power of leveraging a white label solution. You can take something like Go High Level, which is a powerful software, but it's very general and you can adapt it for a specific niche. In this case, these guys, CleanCore, they are targeting cleaning businesses, and that works very great for them, okay? Because they're making over $500,000. Now, I want to dive deep into their marketing and how they get these cleaning businesses. Number one option, they are leveraging communities. What does this mean? They are in Facebook groups for cleaning businesses, Reddit communities, industry forums. That's where they get their clients. When you offer a solution like a white label Go High Level software and you're targeting a specific niche, this is one of the best things that you can do. You can go into groups, you can give value to the people in that group, you can show them a demo of your software, and then you see that people will start booking a call with you because they'll be interested in your solution. Because as we saw earlier, CleanCore has all the features that a cleaning business will need. So leveraging communities is one of their marketing strategies that allows them to get clients. Second thing, they have a YouTube channel. They are creating content on YouTube. So as you can see here, they have videos like 1 year of content for your cleaning business, and it has 700 views. DIY your cleaning business website with CleanCore. These are all contents targeted specifically to attract cleaning business owners, and leveraging a YouTube channel is a great form to attract clients. It's a great form because it's all organic. Someone sees your content, they like it, they like what you're offering, they're going to start a free trial or book a call to purchase your software. So this is what these guys are leveraging. They're leveraging communities, Facebook groups, Reddit, industry forums, and then they also have a YouTube channel. And this has helped them generate over $500,000, which is an amazing number. Let's take a look at what I would improve if I was running a similar solution like CleanCore. I would start running meta ads. Okay, so Facebook ads, Instagram ads. There are a lot of cleaning businesses around the world that can leverage CleanCore. With their strategy, they're really relying a lot on cold outreach and organic. I strongly believe that if they implemented Facebook ads, they could 2x or even 3x their revenue. They have the results, they have the system, the software is amazing, they have the branding, they have testimonials, they have everything in place to start running ads alongside what is already working for them. So this is the only thing I would improve if I was running something similar to CleanCore. Maybe some of you will start asking, hey, how do you know that CleanCore has more than 500 users? It's really simple. You go up here on Level Up Awards, which is Go High Level's award system. And if you click on the Platinum tier, you can see CleanCore. Okay, here's CleanCore. They're in the Platinum tier. That means they have over 500 sub accounts, which simply means they have over 500 users on their software. So with knowing this, you can make an estimate on how much they're making per year. Now, how can you sell something like this? I have 3 suggestions. Okay, you can either sell it as an agency service. So you go out there, you look for cleaning businesses, and then you offer them maybe the lead generation or an optimized system for better communication with their leads, or even simply selling them the automated review system. If you like the agency model, you can try and sell it as an agency solution. You can charge way more, $1,000, $2,000 per month, depending on what you're offering, but you can charge way more. Second option, you can sell it as a SaaS, simply just like CleanCore is doing. You can sell the entire software to these businesses as a monthly subscription. You can charge them a setup fee that can be anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000, and then you charge them a monthly subscription to keep on using the software. That also is very great. You can really scale it up if you know what you're doing, just as CleanCore is doing. As we saw earlier, they're making over $500,000 and they're not even running paid ads. So if you want to sell it as a SaaS, you can start by targeting cleaning businesses through paid ads, offer them a free trial, get a couple of testimonials, and then you scale it up from there. And then lastly, my third option, which I really recommend for anyone who's a beginner, is the SaaS partner model. What does this mean? This simply means you will partner up with someone who's an industry expert in cleaning businesses. It can be someone who teaches people how they can build their own cleaning business. Anyone who's selling a course on how to run a cleaning business, okay, or any expert that you know in the cleaning business niche, you will partner with that individual. You are going to build the software solution for that individual. And what you guys will do is to sell the software to your partner's current audience, to all the people that bought his course on how to start their cleaning business. Okay, so instead of promoting different softwares, your partner can promote his own software, but you are going to be the one who's going to take care of all the backend. And then you are going to get 20 to 40% of recurrent revenue coming from the monthly subscription of the SaaS. This is the best model if you understand the potential in the white label and Go High Level, but you don't have the budgets to either run it as a SaaS or sell it as an agency service. You can partner up with an industry expert, build them their SaaS by simply white labeling Go High Level, just like CleanCore is doing, and then sell the software to his audience. So the partner will be the face of the software and you will take care of the backend, which is not even complex to do. Now, if you want to learn more on how you can create something like this, or even selling solution like CleanCore as a SaaS or an agency service, you can join my school group with this. Link is going to be in the description. I'm going to reveal all the source there. It's going to be free for the first 50 to 100 people. Make sure you join the waitlist, so you're going to be one of the first to be notified when I launch it. So guys, this is how CleanCore is generating over $500,000 a year by simply white labeling Go High Level. You can do this too. It's not complex. All you need to do is target a niche, understand their problems, and offer them a custom solution by simply white labeling Go High Level. So this is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you put a thumbs up. And as always, work smart, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.